Yo, what's Bracken J fam? Welcome back to a brand new video. And apparently a lot of my viewers like the car videos that I do about my Volkswagen. For some reason, people apparently like these videos. So I guess I'll do them because I like doing things to my car. And one thing in particular that we are going to be doing today is I'm going to teach you how to clean your car wheels and your car rims to make them look fabulous. Because if you have your sport rims, you definitely want them to shine. Even though mine aren't the best, we're going to show you how to clean them up when they're really dirty. Like, look how dirty this thing is. Oh my gosh. It's kind of embarrassing, honestly. Like, when I pull up, I don't want people to look at my rims. So you may be asking yourself, what do you need for this video? So we're going to be using some Armorall. This is their tire and wheel cleaner. And you can find it at most dollar stores for only $1. So you don't need to go online or buy it. But I will have a link down below in case you have to pick it up there. But yeah, most dollar stores should have this. And you can spray it on your tires and it works great. One bottle could most likely do an entire car. If you have a truck or bigger rims, you might want to buy a couple bottles. But for now, that's all we really need. Another thing that I highly recommend, if you can't afford it, is getting a detailing brush. This is a thicker bristle brush, and it's important to get one of these thicker ones because it's able to actually knock away a lot of the grime, compared to some of those softer brushes that are mainly meant for the interior. So you want to get these thicker, coarser hair brushes in order to scrub the wheel and the inside. I will have a link down below, but if you cannot afford this or you can't pick one up, use a sponge or something else like that. It may be difficult. I'll show you why these things are so good and why they can clean so fast. And then I guess the last thing is just a water hose. I have this little mister spray bottle, so I'll be able to knock off a lot of the debris while I'm cleaning. And that's all you need, just the water and the cleaner and a brush. That's it. And we're gonna make our rims look beautiful. I'm gonna show you the before and after, and let's get into it. Alright, so this is rim number one. One thing that this isn't the best at is getting rid of rust. You can use a thicker bristle to do that, but right now we're just gonna get rid of a lot of this old, nasty dirt and other things. This rim isn't that bad. We have a couple more that we're gonna do that are gonna make it look a lot better. But yeah. Alright, so the first thing you wanna do is you wanna spray it down a little bit with your cleaner. Right now I'm going to focus strictly on the rims while we clean instead of focusing on the tire part. So you want to let it sit in there for a couple minutes and maybe bristle it into some of these corners and these cracks and let it start eating away at this dirt. It does an amazing job and I really recommend this Armorall. I'm sure there's a couple other brands that do it, but this is what I use and it works really, really well. So already you can see the dirt is starting to come off and it's just scrubbing off right now. So that's really why you need this cleaner. I mean, water could do it, but it'll take a lot longer than it's taking for this. So then I just want to spread it on there. You might want to go to do a couple of your other tires while you're waiting for this to start eating away at the dirt. I'm now going to start spraying in some water to help while I scrub. And you might want to wet the brush a little bit. Now I do a couple different motions. One thing I do is just the swiping down. And that does a lot, but then you also want to dab it in. And when you're dabbing it in, it's spreading the bristles. It's not the best on the brush, but it really does clean. And you can see already the difference. So we're going to do that little dabbing motion, and that just breaks away the dirt in tons of different directions, and then you swipe it down. And you can see it's starting to foam and starting to clean up. Another one right here, just dabbing it in and sweeping it out. That is all you have to do, and as you can see already, hopefully the camera can focus, but that is looking a lot cleaner than some of these ones up here. And it really just shines. It makes your car look really great while you're driving, and if you have nicer rims than me, you definitely want to show them off. You can be sparing on the spray foam and you'll get the job done, but if you use a lot more, it'll go a lot quicker. I'm going to use the spray water and get some more on here. Again, might want to wash the brush off a little bit and come back in here. Now you do want to keep this moist while you're going because if it dries out, it can actually stick back onto your car. So you want to just make sure everything keeps fluidized and you just keep moving along. Now I don't have the biggest rims, so it's kind of easy to go all the way around, but if you do, you might want to get in your car and move it up a little bit so the top parts are exposed on the bottom and it's easier to get to. But let's go into one of the dirtier tires so we can start scrubbing away at that. Alright, so let's go to this one. This one definitely is my dirtiest tire. As you can see, there's like a little rubber stuff there. There's a lot of construction in my area, so the tires get a lot more wear than they usually do. So just like before, I'm going to spray it down first. I'm going to give it a couple seconds for it to start eating away at the dirt. I'm going to wet my brush again and start going in. Oh my gosh, it is eating that black rubber away. I hope this is showing up on camera. It's kind of bright out, so this is literally destroying all this dirt. This tire is so dirty. Alright, so now you want to make sure, again, you get it wet so it doesn't stick to the actual tire. I've noticed it can dry really fast and it leaves these little stains, so that's why you want to make sure there's water on it. One great thing about this is that the brushes, the backside is a little piece of wood, so you're able to scrape away if there's a harder stain, and wood is a really soft material, so it won't scratch your rims. Alright, and there they are. So now you might want to go around. This can also be used on the tire and the wheel actually. So if you want to clean this up a little bit more, there's also a glossy finish you can buy, and that looks awesome. I've tried on my tire last summer, but these are new tires I have, so I might want to put some on in a different video, but that is how you can make your rims look fabulous. I always like to make sure the inside is clean, the Volkswagen symbol is shining, and you can also go around, but you can just see the dirty water that we have. I use this little spray mister so I don't need to connect the hose, and it works really well. And that's just how I do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button if you haven't already. And I do sell my own brushes. I will have a link down below, but if you comment, I'll be doing a giveaway where I'll send one random person a free brush for watching this video. So again, hit the like button, comment button, share this to your friends. If you want to see some more car videos, I do need to fix this little bullseye dent chip in my windshield, so comment that down below. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy. Peace.